Seville isn't just a city, it's an experience. From the scent of orange blossoms to the rhythm of flamenco, every moment here is unforgettable. Ready to discover the heart of Spain's most vibrant city? Let's dive in. Our journey begins at one of Seville's most iconic landmarks, the real Alcazar. This breathtaking palace complex is a living testament to centuries of Spanish history, blending cultures, dynasties, and architectural styles into a single, unforgettable experience. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by a masterpiece of Mudéjar architecture. Delicate arches, vibrant tiles, and lush gardens that seem to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. Every corner reveals a new wonder, from intricate mosaics to sun-dappled courtyards. Every detail tells a story, echoing the footsteps of sultans, kings, and queens who once called this palace home. The walls themselves seem to whisper secrets from the past, inviting you to imagine the lives that unfolded here. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, you'll instantly recognize these gardens as the water gardens of Dawn, where intrigue and beauty go hand in hand. But the magic of the Alcazar goes far beyond the screen. Even if you've never watched the show, the Alcazar is a must-see destination. Its grandeur and charm captivate visitors from around the world, drawing crowds eager to experience its timeless allure. Wander through sunlit courtyards, listen to the gentle splash of fountains, and breathe in the scent of orange blossoms in gardens where royalty once strolled. Every step connects you to centuries of history and tradition. The Alcazar is more than just a palace. It's a living museum, a masterpiece of art and architecture, and a peaceful oasis in the heart of Seville. Here you can pause, reflect, and soak in the beauty that has inspired generations. For anyone who loves history, culture, or simply the pursuit of beauty, the real Alcazar is an absolute must. It's a place where the past and present come together, leaving every visitor with memories to treasure. Next, the Seville Cathedral, largest Gothic cathedral in the world. Its sheer scale is humbling. Inside, golden altars glitter and the tomb of Christopher Columbus commands attention. The Giralda Tower, once a mosque's minaret, offers the best city views. No stairs, just ramps. As you climb, the city unfolds beneath you. At the top, Seville stretches out in every direction. It's the ultimate postcard view. Plaza de España is a true masterpiece. Its sweeping semicircular design, grand scale, and vibrant colours make it one of Seville's most iconic landmarks. The plaza is adorned with intricate bridges and dazzling tiles that shimmer in the sunlight, inviting visitors to marvel at its beauty from every angle. It's a place where history, architecture, and artistry come together in perfect harmony. Each of the beautifully tiled alcoves represents a different province of Spain, turning the plaza into a living open-air museum. As you wander past these alcoves, you're taking a journey through the country's diverse regions and rich cultural heritage. Rent a rowboat and glide along the canal, stroll hand in hand at sunset, or simply sit and people watch as the plaza comes alive with locals and travellers alike. The plaza is a vibrant celebration of Spanish identity and artistry, often filled with the sounds of musicians and dancers performing under the open sky. Every detail, from the ornate tilework to the grand architecture, tells a story of national pride. For photographers, every direction offers a new perspective and a perfect shot, whether you're capturing the sweeping panoramas or the intricate details up close. Plaza de España is a place that fills you with joy just by being there. It's a space where families laugh, friends gather, and everyone feels the magic of Seville's spirit. From history to the future, Las Setas, the Metropole Parasol, is Seville's modern icon. Start underground with Roman ruins, Then ride up to winding walkways above the city. The views are spectacular, especially at sunset. It's an Instagrammer's paradise and a symbol of Seville's bold spirit. Proof that this city is always evolving. Time to get lost in Barrio Santa Cruz, Seville's old Jewish quarter. Wander narrow alleys, hidden plazas, and flower-draped balconies. Follow your nose to tiny tapas bars packed with locals. At night, lantern-lit streets and distant flamenco make it pure magic. For foodies and romantics, this is the soul of Seville. You can't visit Seville without seeing flamenco, raw, passionate and unforgettable. In intimate tablaos, you feel every stomp, every note, every emotion. The dance tells stories of love, loss and defiance. No translation needed. The emotion is universal. Venues like Casa de la Memoria offer the real deal. Flamenco is the soul of Spain, laid bare. Cross the river to Triana, Seville's fiercely independent neighbourhood. It's famous for ceramics. Watch artisans at work and pick up a unique souvenir. Stroll along colourful Calle Betis for stunning river views. The bars and restaurants here pulse with local life. Triana is authentic, creative and full of heart. Need a break? Parque de Maria Luisa is your lush green oasis. Wander among palm trees, tiled fountains and shady nooks. It's perfect for a picnic or a peaceful stroll. Recharge in this royal garden at the city's heart. The Torre del Oro stands guard over the river, a golden tower with centuries of history. Once a watchtower and treasure store, now it's a naval museum. Climb to the top for unique river views. It's a small tower with big stories, a must for history fans. Next to the cathedral sits the Archivo de Indias, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Inside are millions of documents chronicling Spain's empire in the Americas. Visit the exhibitions to see history up close. For history buffs, it's hallowed ground. Time to eat. In Seville, tapas isn't just a meal. It's a cherished tradition and a social ritual. Locals and visitors alike hop from bar to bar, sampling a dazzling variety of small plates and drinks, each stop offering a new flavour and a new story. The energy is infectious, and every bar has its own unique charm. Each spot has its specialty, from earthy spinach with chickpeas to melt-in-your-mouth jamón ibérico, and countless other local favourites. The choices are endless, and every plate is a celebration of Andalusian flavours. Embrace the lively chaos. Share plates, laugh with friends, and savour every bite. The atmosphere is warm and welcoming, making it easy to connect with others over good food. Tapas is about community as much as food. It's a chance to gather, chat, and create memories together, whether you're with old friends or new acquaintances. Wander through neighbourhoods like Santa Cruz or Triana, where the best tapas bars are tucked along winding streets, waiting to be discovered. Each area offers its own unique vibe and specialties. Let your taste buds lead the way. Seville's tapas scene is an adventure you'll never forget. See Seville from the water with a cruise down the Guadalquivir. Glide past landmarks like Torre del Oro and colourful Triana. Go at sunset for magical city views. It's a peaceful, romantic way to experience Seville. Casa de Pilatos is a hidden gem, a palace blending Italian Renaissance and Spanish Mudéjar styles. Explore its stunning courtyard, intricate tiles and peaceful gardens. It's often less crowded than the Alcazar, so take your time. For architecture lovers, it's a must-see. Alameda de Hercules is Seville's bohemian heart, buzzing with life day and night. Trendy cafes, vintage shops and playgrounds fill the square by day. At night, it transforms into an open-air party with bars and music. It's where locals unwind and creativity thrives. If you want to feel Seville's modern pulse, come here. Markets are the soul of Seville's cuisine. At Mercado de Triana, shop with locals and sample fresh food right at the stalls. For a gourmet twist, visit Mercado Lonja del Barranco by the river. Try everything from tapas to desserts under one roof. For food lovers, Seville's markets are essential. Just outside the old city walls, the Basilica de la Macarena is home to Seville's beloved Weeping Virgin. The golden altar and the statue's serene sorrow are moving, even for non-believers. During Holy Week, the devotion here is unforgettable. It's a powerful window into Seville's soul. Take a short trip to Italica, the ancient Roman city and birthplace of emperors. Walk Roman roads, explore the massive amphitheatre, and marvel at intricate mosaics. Game of Thrones fans will recognize the Dragon Pit. Italica is a journey into Andalusia's ancient roots. Perfect for history lovers and adventurers. Seville is a city that gets under your skin and into your heart. From palaces to tapas, flamenco to river views, it's a feast for the senses. I hope this inspires you to experience Seville's magic for yourself. Until next time, pack your bags and let the adventure begin.